Hello, Artsies and Mrs. B. Welcome to Umaarteng Penmanship. For today's Wednesday, I am writing Start 2021, right? I just want to encourage you, Artsies, to start the year good, start the year positive, start the year with lots of artworks. Artworks, calligraphy, watercolor, and journaling help me actually to remove the stress and also my anxiety because I can express myself in my artwork. If you notice, I changed the angle of my camera from my previous video so that you can see closely how it looks like, the thinness and thickness of the strokes, and also how I write my strokes. Where do I start writing, or where did I start my strokes to write those letters, and how do I combine those strokes to make letters, and how I connect them to make letters, and that is important. Join me every Wednesdays with real-time calligraphy right with me every Wednesdays. So I have tutorials every Friday. So I upload 2 videos every week. If you like those kinds of videos, remember to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell also so that you will be updated with my latest uploads. Also, like this video if you like my videos, and you can share it to your friends. Get right with me. If you know someone who are interested in calligraphy, watercolor, and journaling, hope that you can also recommend my channel, Umaarteng Penmanship. I hope to see you next time.